CloudNineSlimery, and I'm back here today with another video. So sorry if I sound a little funny. I'm a little sick. But yeah, I wanted to go ahead and show you an updated slime room tour because even though it's only been a few months since I filmed my last one, obviously you can tell things have changed. So let's get on with it. This was kind of like a little overview. So when you first come down the hallway, this is the first thing you will see. Don't mind the mess over there. We have to sweep it all up. But this is the first thing you see. So this is the rabbit's cage. So basically this half of the room is rabbits. So this is where we let them run and play a little bit. He's trying to get that ball. So these are the rabbits. Luna is in this cage. She's my girl. She might be pregnant. Toby's in that cage. He's my boy. And they're both eating. Then you have a table, which does have my restock slimes and my caps. Then we have a couch with a bunch of pillows, this pole, and 2 chairs. Above the chairs, I have my business cards, which are people I bought from. So if you see you, hey. Anyway, so turning around on this side. So this is basically where I make slime. And if you watch my live videos on Instagram, this is usually where I'll be. So this is my mixer, and I have my most used supplies whenever I make slime back here. We have a slime that's hopefully clearing up. Here we have some slimes that I play with. I just decluttered my slime, and I'm really happy about it because I'm actually downgraded quite a bit. So these are the containers for some of the slimes that I threw away, or some of the slimes that are in bigger containers that I need to put back in their original ones. Then we have a little hot shot, which basically heats up my water. I have this plaque here, so when I play with slime over here, it doesn't stick to the table. And these drawers just have some random slime supplies. So this is some pins, some packaging stuff, and some of our business cards. The rest of them are kind of the same. This just has some candy for me. Then coming along over here, this is where I usually store my glue. So as you can tell, I have quite a bit of gallons of glue up here. Down here we have some scents. So these are some new scents that I got. Like Cheez-It scent, pink sugar, French baguette. Not sure if I said that right, but it's okay. Classic cola, you know, just a bunch of scents. Over here are some more scents. So these are just some like smaller bottles, some like candle ones, which are safe for slime. Below here we have food coloring. So I have an open box of food coloring and then a new box, which I'm so excited. Down below here, sorry it gets a little dark, this is where I keep my sprinkles. So these are sprinkles that I use for my slime. Down here is just some random empty containers. Don't mind my dog, he wants to go outside even though he just came back in. And here are my slimes that I honestly need to just declutter or just go through, which I haven't done that yet. Up here are some more random slimes. Back there, these are some washi tape and some instant snow. So now these drawers are all cleared because that had slime in it, and I did declutter a bunch yesterday. So this is my new slime collection, which is really like condensed. I'm honestly very proud. So here we have some slimes. Some of them are mine, some of them are, you know, famous slimers, some of them are underrated slimers. Here we have a bunch. Here are our labels that need, our blank labels basically that need to be printed. Down below here is where I keep some glue. This is my clear bottles of glue. Same with over here. Over here I have clear glue and then borax. And then those 2 drawers down there are basically empty. Over here, under that is some glue all in that box. We have both of our banners under there. This is kind of where I store my bigger containers. Then moving along over here. So this is for my mom's supply store, which is VA Slime Supplies. So the bottom drawer or shelf has my slimes. So there's some slimes that are in my shop or some bigger batches of slime. Above it is some more of her stuff. So she has some beads and some glitters mixes and some containers. Up here are flown beads that we do dye. So we have a bunch of these in our store. These are one of my favorites. They look so realistic to like a cereal. These are some like little extra ones that we provide in like some orders. These are just random ones. Some black ones. Yeah. Moving along over here to her desk. So as you can tell, there are a bunch of stuff over here. Some cute beads. These are one of my favorites. They're so pretty. But a bunch of pretty types. Some bigger ones. Here are just some charms. Some more beads. These are just small ones. Some of them aren't filled all the way. Some more little charms. Jelly cubes. Some more stuff. Over here are sprinkles. So we do 10-gram bags. They're super cute. Love adding sprinkles. There are some charms in this box over here, but yeah, I'm not going to dig that out. But I do want to mention over here, in this box is where we keep the Java chunks, these foam rings, and sponges. Okay. Moving along over here, so this is where I normally film my slime videos. I just turn these lights on, and this is where I film at. It's a little messy right now, but that's okay. Then, in here is where I keep my stuff that I usually add in my slime. So these are these bigger cake balls. We have some of my charms and add-ins. Then this is packaging for, this is just mostly bubble wrap. Then I believe these are basically empty. These are just some extra stuff. This is also stuff from me. And, yeah. Moving along up here, so this is where we usually dye flown beads for my mom's shop. We lay out paper towels and then dye it. Right now it's just holding some extra stuff. So these are our containers from Parkway Plastics that are going to be at our event. These will be showcased. Some 2-ounce slimes. And here we have my flown beads. So yes, there's a lot. We have almost every color imaginable. And then my mom also dyed flown beads, so a bunch of colors. Down below is where we have our bubble mailers. And here is my favorite drawer. This is my glitter drawer. Literally, as you can probably tell, I love glitter. Glitter is so nice. Literally my favorite. But yeah, it's all glitter. Down below here are just some extra containers and stuff that we don't honestly use that often. Moving along to this side. This is our extra drawer for obviously extras. So candy, some bigger extras back here, some bigger boxes, then some like little glitter packets. This is where we come when we want to make extra baggies. This is my clay drawer. As you can tell, I love model lights. Literally bought basically all of it at the store. So up here we basically have mostly model lights. We have back here some Kawaii Company. Then back here we have some smaller clays that I use to film videos. So we have those, and then we have little baggies in here somewhere. Here they are. Just little baggies. So yeah, they're kind of hidden. Oops. Next drawer is more clay. So this is where I keep Daiso, some big bags of clay, and some more Daiso. Down here are more extras and add-ins to slime. So we have slushy beads, these little honeycomb sponges, these, some hearts, just a bunch of add-ins. Over here is just kind of like our junk pile. So this is a lot of stuff for conventions. So dug around in there is where we have like our stands for conventions and just kind of extra stuff. All these boxes basically have containers in it. This box is containers for our event for the VIP bags. And then over here are containers that we're selling and containers I use. This box is our box that is getting ready for events. Over here is our packaging station. So as you can tell, we have a bunch of boxes. We have more down here. But we have some cute boxes. Tissue paper and some like note cards. And yeah, but this is where we package our stuff. This is just kind of like an extra storage thing. Doesn't really have much in it. But yeah, that was basically my whole slime room. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's probably going to change more in the future. And I'll do more videos like this if you guys like it. But yeah, make sure to hit the subscribe button and follow me on Instagram and follow my mom. That'll all be linked down below. Really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.